So good morning everyone. We are going to start chapter number 2 of part B, financial statement analysis. So what is the meaning of financial analysis? Financial statement presents a mass of complex data in absolute monetary terms and reveal little about the liquidity, solvency and profitability of the business. In financial analysis, the data given in financial statement is classified into simple groups and a comparison of various groups is made with one another to pinpoint the strong points and weaknesses of the business. We just want to know the strong points and weaknesses of the business, and for doing that we have to do a analysis. For example, if all items relating to current assets are placed in one group while all items relating to current liabilities are placed in another group, the comparison between the two groups will provide useful information. Like बच्चे we have done comparison and common size, comparative statements we have done, common size we have done. This was analysis. We have compared the data of 2 years, or we have compared the data of single year, common size, just to draw certain conclusions. With the help of financial statements, we will just know the profit and loss of the year. Financial statement includes two things: trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. So they reveal only the profit and loss of the year or the financial condition of the assets and liabilities, nothing more than that. But we have to draw certain conclusions. We have to take a lot of decisions. So what we will do the analysis. Like we have done the analysis of comparative balance sheet and common size. What we have done? We have compared the data of 2 years, then we have find out the percentage increase or decrease. This was analysis which we have already done. So this is called analysis. Financial statement analysis is largely a study of relationship among the various financial factors in a business as disclosed by a single set of statements and a study of the trend of these factors as shown in a series of statements. So they are having three features which to present the complex data in a simple form. They just want to present the complex data in a simple form to classify the items contained in financial statement in convenient and rational groups. They are presenting in a simple form and they are just containing them in a rational or convenient group to make comparison between various groups to draw various conclusions. So after comparing everything, we have to draw certain conclusions. These are the three features of financial statement analysis: presentation of complex data in simple form, classifying the data in convenient groups, and to make comparison and draw conclusion. These are the three features of financial statement analysis. Types or methods of analysis, we have already studied, बच्चे two types of analysis are there. One is horizontal and second is vertical. We have done already. Horizontal analysis, in such type of analysis, financial statements for a number of years are reviewed and analyzed. Figures for 2 or more than 2 years are contained in such a type of analysis and these figures are placed side by side. With a horizontal analysis, we have done comparative statements in which we put the data of 2 years side by side and then we have facilitated the comparison. Horizontal analysis was comparative statements. We put the data of 2 years side by side and then we have drawn the conclusions on that. That was our horizontal analysis. What about vertical analysis? This was common size, which we have done. This was common size. In such type of analysis, financial statement for a number of years, a single year or on a particular date are reviewed and analyzed with the help of proper devices like ratios and etc. So the common size profit and loss shows each element of cost as percentage of sale. We put the base as sale, we have put the sale as base. So we have done vertical analysis. There are two type of financial analysis, बच्चे, horizontal and vertical. Horizontal means comparative statements and vertical means common size. So second topic is objectives or purpose of financial analysis. Why we are doing financial analysis, bache? Why we want to study deeply the financial statements? Why the financial statements we are studying deeply? To measure the earning capacity or profitability. We just want to measure the earning capacity or profitability of the business. The overall objective of a business is to earn satisfactory returns. Financial analysis helps in ascertaining whether adequate profits are being earned on the capital invested in the business or not. They just want to see whether we have earned sufficient profits or not. Second, to measure the solvency. It can be ascertained from financial analysis whether the business is in a position to pay its short-term and long-term loans or not. We want to know the earning capacity of the business. We want to know the solvency of the business. Whether he is in a business is in a position to pay the long-term and short-term loans or not. Then to measure the financial strength of the business. What are the weak points and what are the strong points of the business. Then to make comparative study with other firms. Not only beta ki we can compare the 2 years data of same firm, we can make comparison between two different firms also. We can compare their sales, revenue, expenses, everything we can compare. To measure the capacity of payment of interest and dividend. Beta, what happens if you will go to a bank applying for a loan? If you want a loan from bank, what will happen? The bank authorities will ask your financial statements and then they will calculate your capacity to pay the interest. How much capable you are, according to that, they will give you the loan. So these analyses are going to help you in providing loan, getting loan and everything. They are very useful. In real life, we are using these things. So sixth one is to identify the trend of business, whether our business is growing day by day or it is coming back. Then to judge the efficiency of management. What we want to judge the efficiency of management. The purpose of financial analysis is to judge that the financial policies adopted by the management are proper or not. For example, if the actual ratios calculated on the basis of financial statements are in the accordance with their standard ratios and the policies of management may be said to be proper and efficient. We just want to check the efficiency ki what the people are doing, what the management is doing, are they taking right decisions or not. And then bache, to provide useful information to management. The object of analysis is to find out the shortcomings of the business so that management can take remedial measures to remove those shortcomings. Weak points we will come to know, bache. So what is this basically? Basically, financial statement analysis is the deep study of financial statements. Financial statement means profit and loss and balance sheet, and their deep study is called financial statement analysis. For analysis, we can go for two types of analysis. Horizontal means comparative balance sheets and profit and loss, and vertical analysis means single year's data can be compared, so it is common size. From here, two questions we have done. What is the meaning and types of or methods of financial statement analysis, horizontal and vertical? One more question can be asked. What is the meaning of financial statement analysis? What are its main features? Two questions from this page can be asked, bache. Meaning, features, meaning and types. Then third question which we have done is the objectives or purpose of making the financial statement analysis. Why we are doing the analysis? Just to measure the earning capacity, measure the solvency, to measure the financial strength of the business, to measure the comparative study, to make the comparative study in the two different firms, to measure the capacity of payment of interest, to identify the trend of business, to judge the efficiency of management, and to provide useful information to management. So what are the uses of financial statement analysis? Where it can be used? For taking investment decision. Analysis of financial statement helps an investor to know whether the firm is fulfilling his expectation regarding the payment of dividend, appreciation in the value of investment made by him, and safety of his investment. If someone wants to invest in your concern, they will do a deep study of your financial statements. They will do financial analysis just before the investment. Before taking the investing decision, they will do a deep study whether their investment will be safe or not. For taking credit decision, analysis of financial statement is useful in making a decision whether to grant a loan or not. If you applied in a bank for loan, they will just do a deep study of your financial statements whether they should give you credit or not. For taking dividend decision, such analysis is useful in deciding about how much portion of profit is to be distributed as dividend and how much to retain. Dividend decision, how much we have to distribute it to the shareholders. So how we will take? We will do the financial analysis first, the deep study of financial statement. On the basis of that, we will decide the dividend decision. We will take dividend decision. For what are the uses of financial statement analysis? We have to take a lot of decisions. For taking investment decision, credit decision, dividend decision, we have to use analysis. For two more uses are there. For estimating the trend of the business, whether the business is going upwards or downward, just we want to know the trend of the business. And then for taking various managerial decisions, analysis of financial statement disclose liquidity, solvency, profitability of the business. It helps in locating the weak points of the business, and such information enables the management to take various decisions. So for taking a lot of managerial decisions, financial statement analysis is used.